Howdy! Want to connect 3 HDMI monitors from a single USB-C port? Partner, who doesn't? Luckily, the Plugable USBC-MSTH3 can help. But first, we need to talk about MST before your laptop starts sweating. MST stands for Multi-Stream Transport. In normal human language, it lets one DisplayPort video connection carry multiple independent displays. So before we go any further, let's set up the MSTH3 and see what that looks like. Well, how about that? The USBC-MSTH3 is a driverless USB-C to triple HDMI adapter for Windows and Chrome OS systems. It uses your laptop's built-in graphics, so there is no driver to install, which is really nice. But here is the catch. The adapter is not doing all the heavy lifting here. It uses the graphics power your laptop already has. So the real question is not just can the adapter do triple displays, it's can your laptop. Here's the simple version. For basic setups, DisplayPort 1.2 over USB-C can handle lighter display loads. But it is not the best fit for triple monitors. For triple 1080p at 60 Hz, look for DisplayPort 1.4 with MST support. And for triple 4K 60 Hz, at the very least, you will need DisplayPort 1.4 with DSC. For triple 4K 60 Hz, look for DisplayPort 1.4 with DSC or DisplayPort 2.1 over USB-C, USB 4, or Thunderbolt. Modern Intel Core, AMD Ryzen, and Radeon graphics, NVIDIA RTX, and AMD Radeon RX laptops are good places to start. But the port specs, that's what really matters. And so remember, the USB-C port still has to support video because some USB-C ports are really just there for charging, data, and emotional support. If you are using a Mac, this is where MST gets a little spicy. macOS does not support MST for multiple extended displays through the standard MST hubs. So this is not the right adapter for Mac triple monitor setups. Even with the right laptop, your monitors and HDMI cables still need to support the resolution and the refresh rate you want. Triple 4K is awesome, but your cable from the mystery junk drawer in the kitchen, that's probably not going to work. The monitor must support 4K, and using an HDMI cable rated for 2.0 or higher, that's important too. So yes, the USB-C MSTH3 is powerful, it's driverless, and it is great for Windows or Chrome OS multi-monitor setups. But it is not magic. Your laptop, your USB-C port, operating system, GPU, monitors, and cables all need to support the right video features. If your system supports MST, the USB-C MSTH3 is a clean way to turn one USB-C port into a triple HDMI powerhouse of a workstation. Just check your laptop specs, grab the right cables, and give your desk that monitor upgrade it has been emotionally preparing for all its life. And bonus, now you can spread your Michael nights across multiple screens. Stay connected out there.